Hello everybody, I just bought this Pyle mini portable single tub washing machine. As you can see, this is going to be for my travel and camping trips. This is super portable. I can easily take it in the car, take it to a hotel and do laundries there. That's why I have it. Now, last year or some years ago, I did already buy a twin tub portable version, but that one is only for use at my work. And this is actually for my travel, so this is even more portable. And because it's single tub design, it's even lighter. It weighs at just 11 pounds. So let's open it up. Some styrofoam. Register your product and get a 1-year warranty. I'll do that. And a free laundry bag. Perfect. Yeah, I'll do that. Let's go and take this out. Oh, there's also grab handles on the plastic. How nice. It is hard doing this while holding a 3-pound camera, but there we go. It's out and out. The box is empty, so this can go back in. And let's take a look at the unit once I unwrap everything. Okay, I only unwrapped it. I haven't touched it ever since, but inside the unit there is another pouch. And in the pouch there's 2 rubber stands as well as the owner's manual and warranty information. Sorry about that. And most importantly, there's also a drain hose. So I suppose it's also a fill hose as well, but yeah. And this is what the unit looks like. So I'm going to demonstrate with a test. I'm only going to be using this to wash my underwears for now, so yeah. Alright, I got the washing machine fully set up. I got got these things on at the bottom so that it's more stable. And just plug it in, add water, and it's all good to go. So I'm going to demo that right now. Okay, so I'm in my bathroom with this unit. And I don't know how to stop the drain mode, because the only way that I can prevent water from draining as I wash clothes is to have this hang on the side, this drain hose. You can kind of see the water is still like at this level. So I didn't fill all the way, and it's just one underwear for me to demonstrate. So, but the plus side is this thing is really, really lightweight. It is really portable, and it's really quiet. It does not vibrate well. It does not vibrate much, so that's another plus side. So this is how you set the timer. Just twist it all the way and then turn it back to desired time. I'm just going to set it to 3 minutes. Really straightforward to use, and it's just going to wash. And now that it's finished washing, after it stops washing, all I have to do is this. Take the drain hose and then just drain it. As you can see, that's what I'm trying to say. I don't know how to turn it off, how to stop it from draining when I'm actually washing the clothes other than hang it up here. So it's kind of interesting how this is designed. I don't find a switch anywhere, I suppose. I'll figure it out in the upcoming days. If I do, I'll make a video of it. I mean, the instruction did say not to add the water beyond 60% level, so yeah. And after finished draining, just take your underwear or whatever small clothing you have in there and just wring it out manually. And that's pretty much it for this washing machine unboxing and brief review. Hope you guys enjoy it. As always, see you in the next round. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.